Okay, I'm back. Part 3 update on Mom and Dad's 71 Chevelle. So, yeah. In and out of wheel boxes are cut and drilled out. You know, these spot wheels drilled out and, removed. Anyway, so, got a little place here. Needs fixed. All this is in excellent shape still, and so this here, as you can see, is pretty damaged, pretty rotten. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this out right on this edge all the way. Take a piece of 1-inch flat stock, start here, and then we'll form it. Make one piece out of it, and we'll probably go to about right here with one piece, and then we'll do a short piece here in this section, and then we'll patch this area right here up and get it cleaned up, get all these cleaned up here, and get ready to install the new outer wheel box. We'll mock the quarter up, and then we'll hang the door. Once we get the quarter mocked up on it, put the door back on it, set the door gap here, and then weld, get it back together on this side. Car, progress is coming fairly quick, I think. There's what's left of the quarter. If you remember, I went in and cut out, just cut out the main sheet metal part and then go in and remove each section. It's just easier, quicker, I think. So yeah, that's where we're at, and I'll get this part done today. Happy January 1st to everybody, 2024. So this is this is how I'm starting my new year, and I'll update once I get this done, send some pictures, and make another video, and then we'll put the inner wheel box in it. Thanks, bye.